Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Power Automate for SaaS approvals in Microsoft 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Power Automate for SaaS approvals in Microsoft 365, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, look for the App Launcher icon in the top left corner. Click on the App Launcher and select Power Automate from the list of applications. If you don't see it, you might need to click on All Apps to find it. After opening Power Automate, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Next, locate and click on Templates in the left sidebar. In the search bar on the Templates page, type SaaS Approvals. Browse the list of available templates related to SaaS approvals. Select a template that fits your requirements. Once you click on a template, you will be taken to a detailed view of that template. Review the description and features to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Use this template button to start setting it up. You may need to sign in to the connected services if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the steps in the template. Fill in the required fields with your specific information. Take a moment to review all the connections and settings you've configured. Once everything looks correct, click on Create Flow to finalize the setup. Your new Power Automate flow for SaaS approvals is now ready. Test the flow to ensure it functions as intended. You can do this by initiating an approval request within the service you set up. Monitor the flow's performance through the dashboard for any adjustments needed. Customize further if necessary by adding additional conditions or actions. You have successfully installed Power Automate for SaaS approvals in Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.